What do you do to get a break? Hey guys, Chelsie Jayy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. So if you got somewhere to go, or if you don't have anywhere to go and you just want to watch me get ready, we're going to be doing perfume, outfit, bag. I'm going to show you the bag that I'm going to be wearing. I'm also using new products in this video, so that's going to be good too. The face is sitting, okay? So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy this video. And also don't forget to make sure that you comment, because I'm always in the comment section. If you do enjoy this video, make sure that you share it with your friends, your family, your mom, your homegirl, whoever, okay, sis? So let's just go ahead and get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chelsie Jayy here. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm not sure what type of look it's going to be, honestly, sis, but we will figure it out by the end of the video. So I've already done my brows off camera just so that we can save a little time. I'm going to fix them up a little bit more once we get into the look. So I have some new products for you guys, so I'm super excited about that, just to switch it up a bit and do something different, you know. So to start though, you know I love my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I'm gonna apply this just so we can get rid of these dry lips, honey, because nobody like that, okay? And this stuff has lasted me a long time. If you're looking for this product, the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and you're looking for it like on sale, you can try Marshalls. They always have these in there. Well, at my local Marshalls, they always have those in there. I'm gonna take my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know that this is my baby, okay? I don't know how many times I have to say this, but girl, get this product. Even if you try the mini one, I think it's about $15 for the smaller version, just to give it a try and see if it works for you. I know some people, it may not work for everybody, but you just want to try it out. I'm just taking this with my fingers and blending everything out onto the skin. And y'all know by now, if you hear something in the background, you know who it is. And if you don't know, I'll show you at the end of the video who is bothering me, okay? Anybody else dog bothers them like all day, but you love them to death, but like, Lord, give me a break, okay? Give me a break. I'm tired. I don't want to play all day. My little Yorkie has like the most energy ever. I feel like all little dogs have like a lot of energy though. I know it's not just mine. If you have a little dog, girl, what do you do? Let me know your secrets. What do you do to get a break? Next, what I'm going to do is get ready for my foundation. Girl, I picked up the Nars. This is the Soft Matte Foundation. I picked up two shades, Tahoe and Morea. Tahoe fit me, like, it was right on. And then Morea is like a tad darker, so I got that one for just in case, like, you know, when summer hits, which, you know, your girl is ready for summer, okay? I've been in the gym, okay, trying to get this summer body I'm trying to get this summer body ready, okay, because I'm stepping on necks all summer 2021. I'm stepping on necks all year, period. And that's just that on that. So this is the packaging. I really like it. It's like my vibe, like that matte brown. You know they always do well for packaging. This is the Tahoe shade, so I'm gonna apply this first, and you want to make sure that you shake it up too, because it is like really fluid, so you want to make sure that you shake it up so that you won't have a lot of what am I trying to say? So you won't have it spilling everywhere, right? Then I also bought me a new beauty blender. This is actually the Beauty Blender by Beauty Blender. I got this one in nude because your girl loves nude. Like, I like black, nude, gray, white. Like, all the neutral tones is right up my alley. I'm probably not going to be using this in every video, sis, because that's the real tea. Because I want to save this for when I really do have something to do. So I may go back to my Fenty Beauty for most of my videos, but I did want you guys to see, if you have not tried the Nars Soft Matte Foundation, I wanted you guys to see how it was, and just watch me try it out. My skin has been giving me some trouble lately, and I don't appreciate that. You know, we were just talking about skin, like the skin is giving what it was supposed to have gave, and now, girl, I don't know. I guess I have to start drinking more water again. I was drinking like crazy amounts of water, and I think that's what I need to start back doing. But now I'm going in with Morea. This is the medium deep 2.3 shade, 2.3. And like I said, I'm just gonna use a little of this because Nars ain't cheap. Okay, Nars is not cheap. I'm trying to debate if I want to use a brush to blend it out or do I want to use my beauty blender. I guess I'm gonna use my beauty sponge, my beauty blender to blend everything out, just to pat it out and see how that goes. But this is definitely full coverage. Well, it's like more so medium to full, so you can build it up if you need to. So this is basically the finish for the soft matte. As you can tell, like, it is a soft matte. So if you are like a little bit on the dry side, I would just recommend that you use a hydrating primer, just so that you can bring back the glowiness into the skin. But now we're gonna go ahead and move into concealer. So I'm gonna be using the Dior. This is the Dior Forever Skin Color Correct concealer, and I've heard a lot about this, more so from makeup artists, and then I also saw somebody, I can't remember, I saw someone using this in their tutorial, so I was like, girl, let me try it. So yeah, I'm just taking this up under the eye, and I really did like it the last time I used it. Of course, on camera it may look a little different, but I liked it a lot when I used it on myself this past weekend. So I'm just fanning it out so that we can have the coverage that we are looking for. I don't know what's going on with my skin, girl. Like, it's been doing so well, but now it's not giving what it was supposed to have gave. I'm going to let that dry down for a little bit, then I'll be back and we're going to blend everything out. And I also picked up a few more new things that we're going to be trying out in this video. So hopefully you girls love the new items. Going back in with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend everything out under the eye first. This concealer is really, really good, so I highly recommend you guys give it a try. It's about the same price point as any other concealer. I know, being that it's Dior, you would think that it would be just sky high, but it's really the same amount that you would spend on Fenty Beauty or whatever. So give it a try and see if you do like it. They don't have a huge shade range, of course, but if you can find your shade, give it a try. If you did not know, I do makeup here in Atlanta, so if you need your face beat, girl, then book with me at Makeup by Chelsie Jayy, and that's on Instagram. So now I'm taking Walnut. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use this to contour the face. And I'm going to contour pretty higher, well, more higher than I normally do, just to bring the cheeks up a little bit more. And putting the contour at the bottom of your lip, it just helps define your lip a lot more whenever you do put your lip liner on. So I'm just taking that same contour stick, and I'm going in to contour the nose. So now I'm taking just this Real Techniques brush, because this is the only semi-clean brush that I have near me. And I'm just blending it onto my forehead and around the face. The face is sitting, girl. Like, we like what we see. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and start to set my face. I picked up the Butter Fenty Beauty powder. This is the trial size, I guess you can say, the small one. I just picked this up in the small powder because, first of all, I have a lot of setting powders, and then I just wanted to try it out. So I wasn't really sure, not really sure how I was gonna, you know, apply or whatever. So we're just gonna give it a try and see if we like. Ooh, girl, look at that. Sis, look how much powder I just poured into my face. Get out. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend up under my eye one more time just to make sure I'm not setting and increasing. But I'm taking my beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend up under the eye. The first powder I'm going in with is the Huda Beauty powder. This is in the shade Banana Bread. And a lot of people hate the smell of this, but I like it. It is on the strong side, but it's still like a good smell. I don't think it's a bad smell. I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I'm just going to add, just use this to set the rest of my face. And I used to use this powder a long time ago, but then I kind of stopped, and now we're back again. So now for contour, who is she? I'm doing something different, okay? I'm using the Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Caramel Cutie. And we're going to go ahead and contour the face. Hopefully I got the right shade. I don't know. I feel like I like more of a reddish, well, not reddish, but like a orangey bronzing powder. So hopefully this is not too brown. I am going to mix a little bit of my Black Radiance because y'all know that this is my home girl. This is my favorite. So I think I'm going to mix a little bit of this with it. So I'm going to move into the eyes. I think I'm just going to keep it real simple. I'm taking Burnt Orange. First of all, girl, we didn't even set our eyes. So let me go back in with some concealer really quick. So the eyes, I really just want to keep the look really bronzy and simple. So I'm going in with that Anastasia foundation stick. And I'm blending it up into the brow palette. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm just deepening up my lid using the shade Sienna, and it's going to be this shade right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my liner. I think I'm going to do that on off camera. Then we're going to come back and then we're going to finish out the look. Get into the look. Okay, so I added mascara on my bottom lash line, and then I also smoked it out with that Sienna shade that was in the Soft Glam palette. Girl, chef's kiss, okay? So I'm going to go in and line my lips so you guys can watch me line my lips. And then we're going to come back and then do the lipstick and gloss and then get into the outfit and the smells, okay? What are we smelling like? Ooh. So it's looking pretty dark. Don't be afraid. I'm going to go in with my fortune cookie. This is the lip gloss from NYX or from NYX. So I'm going to go over with a pink lip gloss just to soften it up a bit because I don't want the look to be like dark or anything like that. And this pink lip gloss is from the hair store, girl. So to finish everything up, I'm going to take my Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is in the shade Diamond Milk. We're going to add our blush. The blush I'm going to be using is the ColourPop blush. This is the My Type blush. This one is hard to get open, though. I'm not even going to hold you. So if you got nails, girl, I'm going to take a little bit of that blush. So let me change really quickly, and then we can close out the video. Okay, so this is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Oh, I forgot to add setting spray, y'all. Hold on, let's add the setting spray. The setting spray that I'm going to use is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless setting spray. And we're just going to spray a little bit because honestly, y'all know I'm not going nowhere. So we're going to go in with the Gucci Guilty perfume, sorry. But the thing is with this one, I think I got like the 1 ounce, only because I just wasn't really sure about it. Because I like the smell, but I wasn't really just crazy about it. But I feel like if you mix this, and I'm just going to spray just a little bit, you know, respectfully. I don't even know why we sprayed that much. So yeah, girl, this is the look. We're smelling good. I'm going to insert a clip of my outfit at the end of the video so that you guys can see what I would wear, what I'm going to be wearing. But this shirt is from J Lux Label. a view of the shirt once I show you in the mirror. But yeah, so that is the finished look, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my 3-in-1. I guess you can say 3-in-1. No, 2-in-1 get ready with me. So outfit plus makeup plus perfume. It's giving 3-in-1 for me, okay? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, share this with your friends, your mom, your homegirl, whoever, okay? Whoever needs this video, show this video to them. I love you all so much, and as usual, I will see you in my next one. Also, girl, don't forget to leave some comments, because you know I'm always in the comment section after every upload, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Y'all, Milo wants to say hi. He's smelling me because he smells that perfume on me. He's like, what is that, mama? But yeah, Milo wants to say hi. Okay, y'all. Bye.